Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am super excited to try this foundation. I've heard great things about it, so yeah, we're just going to jump into the video and get started. So I chose the color Macao, which is medium dark, number 4, and I'm hoping that this matches pretty good here. I believe this retails for about $49. I'm not sure, but I would definitely check on that and see. And I am quite nervous that this is a radiant foundation since I have super oily skin. I know to stay clear away from luminous foundations because those just do not work for me. It just makes me even more oilier. So I'm curious to see how this is going to work here. And the packaging is beautiful, guys. This is more kind of like a neutral. The color Macao almost look yellow coming off camera, but that's just how it looks. And I haven't decided if I'm going to color correct or not. As you guys can see, I have a lot of dark spots here. I kind of want to put this all the way to the test. So I think I'm not going to color correct, which is going to be really hard for me. I love to color correct just because I don't want to use so much foundation. But yeah, let's just see what happens. Hopefully this is not too yellow. Just going to see. So it looks just like that. Hope you guys can see that. And I am going to warm this up just a little bit. Just kind of warm it up with your fingers. So to me, I can definitely tell that it's lightweight. It does have a little bit of a moussey feel also, so that might not be too bad. So it is coming off a little bit yellow on camera. It's coming off yellow on camera, but looking in the mirror myself, it actually looks like it's going to be a perfect match. So I am super excited to see how this is going to work. I'm really wanting to see how it is going to cover up my dark spots. And hopefully my brush, I washed my brushes last night, so hopefully, oh wow. Look at that. It does cover the dark spots really well. Alright, I'm going to be feeling that. Wow, okay. Alright. My face is doing the most. I'm just breaking out. Got dark spots, all that kind of stuff. But whatever. Let's just see. That doesn't look bad at all. Actually looks pretty good. Yeah, and it's coming off yellow here, but it's like really the perfect match. Wow, okay. So let's just finish this side up here. Gotta push these back, make sure you get that forehead up there. I really like the fact that it covered up my dark spots too. And I've heard that one pump is enough, but I don't think one pump is going to be enough for me. So I probably would definitely go in with another. But it is definitely lightweight. So it definitely feels like you don't even have any foundation on. Especially when you know that you're going to be putting concealer and also powder and all that kind of stuff on. So it's nice to have a foundation that's super lightweight. I really like this so far. Okay. Let me see. I see how Nars is working. I'm excited. I'm gonna put just a little bit down here. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. Go in and we're going to use the beauty blender and apply it on this side.
shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, so here is the final look. And I have to say that this foundation is so gorgeous. I really like it. Look at the finish on that. That is really pretty. I'm just really amazed at how full coverage it looks. So that is how it's looking up close. And again, I have to say I really like it. It definitely feels like a matte finish to me. This here honestly probably could be considered my everyday foundation because it just feels so lightweight. So this pretty much wraps up the review of the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. Also like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Yeah, I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.